Today we are going to take up the part 2 of how we use the balisong, okay? Learning how to open and close the balisong. If you remember, we had the forehand, okay, where the knife is the one in front. Now let's take a look at how we do open and close the backhand when we have the backhand side of it, okay? So let's take it one by one, okay? So here's the first move. You need to hold, you need to grip one of the fans, okay? Grip and let it drop, then turn it counterclockwise. So you see that when you hold it like this, turn it counterclockwise and then bring it up. You can quickly do it like this, okay? You can make it like, see? You can do it with some art, okay? You can do it this way, as long as you know how to hold it so it won't fall. Okay, the other one is the opposite, the opposite of it, okay? Hold it this way, drop it. The one hold with the tip of the fingers, then do it counterclockwise, but this one you do it this way and swing it up, okay, and catch it. This you can do with one move. So you drop it, then turn it. This one turning it clockwise. So the knife goes like this. Okay. The first one was moving it counterclockwise. The second one is moving it clockwise. Here's the difference. This is the first move, and here's the second move. Okay, second move.